What's good, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make super easy but lazy delicious ramen recipe. Here we go. Alright, first step we're going to start making our soup base. I'm going to put a specific amount in my descriptions, so please check it out. Alright, we're going to need garlic, ginger, some bonito flake dashi, salt and pepper, chicken bouillon, soy sauce, oyster sauce, some sesame oil, and then if you have it, this is totally optional, stir fry oil, where you can get it from local market. Alright, that's it for the sauce. Now get your bowl ready. We're going to grate our ginger and garlic first. For the ginger, try to make it equal amount with our garlic. If you don't really want to, you can just get the paste one already, or the puree, or you can get it from your local market as well. That's completely fine. After you put your garlic and ginger, we're going to put our bonito flakes and some chicken bouillon. They're both 1 tablespoon. A little bit of salt and pepper. Don't put too much. You can always add in, but you cannot take it out. Remember that, okay? Now 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You don't exactly have to, but after you put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, I did put my ajitama marinade. It is in my previous video. I'll put the link on top right here. Follow with 1 teaspoon each for sesame oil and the infused stir fry oil as well. Mix thoroughly until they're completely mixed, and we're going to go to our next step. We're going to cut some green onions for garnish and for soup. The portion of green onions is completely up to you. If you like it a lot, you can put more than how much I put. I'm just doing 1. I'm cutting the white part for the sauce. I'm sorry, the soup, and I'm cutting the top for my garnish later. You don't gotta be so fancy with your knife skills either. If you want to cut it rough, you can go ahead and cut it rough. Alright, after we're done cutting our green onions, we're gonna go to the next step, which is our topping. For this ramen recipe, I'm gonna be making a butter soy sauce corn and ajitama that I made on my previous video, and also a roasted seaweed on top with the garnish of green onions. Butter soy sauce corn is very simple. Just put a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of soy sauce with the butter inside. And the amount of butter and soy sauce is completely up to you. Make it as you desire. Just make sure you cook until they got a good color on them. After you're done cooking your corn, set it aside for later. Alright, for next step, I'm gonna be cutting my roasted seaweed. You know, I don't think nobody has time or patience to make an actual dry seaweed from scratch, so don't worry about it. And this is my ajitama that I made on my previous video. Oh my god, look at that. You can already tell it's gonna be bussin'. Alright, for next step, we want to move on to our main, the noodle. Fill your pot with enough water and bring it to boil first. And get your favorite ramen noodle ready. This is my favorite ramen noodle, kaedama from Hakubuku. It's actually imported from Japan. They actually taste like actual ramen place noodle. I highly recommend you. I'm gonna put the link in my bio for the people who want to actually try this authentic ramen. I also have some of the ingredients that you guys cannot find in the local marketplace in my link as well for you guys. Alright, after your noodles are ready, get your pot and boil some water for your soup. The amount of water you put is completely up to you. If you want like a really strong flavor, you can put less water. Alright, and after that, all you gotta do is assemble all these beauties and make them dress up, put the makeups on, and make your desired ramen. And that is it. A lazy, super easy, within 10 minutes, but delicious ramen recipe. I hope you guys like my video. If you guys do, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.